Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and drivers so the screen can receive a wake signal. Once plugged in, check cables and battery level. Make sure you update display drivers to the latest stable build. Then open power and display settings and immediately disable automatic sleep for display or set it to a long interval. Because you configure the foundation first, subsequent wake settings will work reliably. These steps prevent hardware or software from blocking the screen from turning on. Once done with basics, adjust detailed wake behavior so the screen always turns on when needed. In display, settings set timeout to never or a long value. In power plan options, set lid and power button actions to wake or do nothing. Enable wake timers and, if available, wake on LAN. Disable adaptive brightness and aggressive GPU power saving that can keep the panel dark. Test each change immediately so you can identify which setting governs the screen state and iterate if necessary. You finish by locking in reliable behavior and knowing how to recover if it fails. Create a restore point, apply settings as administrator, and run tests. Wake from sleep, open the lid, press a keyboard key, or send wake on LAN. If the screen still refuses to light, check physical connections and test an external monitor to isolate panel versus GPU issues. As a troubleshooting tip, update firmware or BIOS and reset the display cable. That single action often fixes persistent dark screen problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.